Hi, I want to show you guys something. Keep watching. So I just got back from my work. Yes, working. Okay, not actual working, but it was for my work. Since it's December, we have every year like Christmas market from work where you can go and pick gifts, right? Christmas gift. So we went with some few colleagues. This is how it went.
De beste
Collecting
medewerkers van
gifts.
het jaar. Krijg een bonus van 20.000 euro.
And this is what I got. So the Christmas market was in a Netherlands Openlucht Museum, Nederlands Openlucht Museum. It means the Dutch, the Netherlands, open. So open lucht. What is lucht in Engels? Lucht is like free, without roof. Free roof, I guess. Museum. So Openlucht Museum. There was our Christmas market for this year 2025. So we went there with some few colleagues, and you can go like place to place, gather the gifts, and what? Come back home. So I call it work because we can write the hours down, how long you've been there, and you still get paid for. So I want to show you guys what I got. This is one of them, by the way. It was like a chocolate lolly. I already started eating it. So good. The first one was this. This is Dutch houses, how it used to be back in the days. So the Openlucht Museum is all about the old things back in 1849, 1850, things like that. So this is the tram they used to. Now it's very modern, right? And the houses, the molen. This is very popular in Netherlands. The molen, the dry molen. Colorful houses, but in it, it's candy. The gift is candy. I'm gonna keep the cane though, maybe for some sugars, whatever. And the second thing we got had like crackers. So in every sport they have like our work colleagues, I get people from the higher ones, the students. They're the one telling us what it is and how it's made in the museum itself. All of those things they made it themselves in the museum in the old ways back in 18 what 18 something. So this was made in the museum and you can eat it. Crackers. Now the next one is this. They had several things. You can choose this one or like puzzles about old things, right? Or there was other options as well, but I chose this one because it's for the Christmas tree. It's a tram from back in the days, but it says Openlucht Museum. Look, it's written here. That's the name of the museum, but the camera is up. It's rotated because I'm using the front camera. And yeah, this is the tram. It says Arnhem. That's where I live. And that's where the museum is, I mean, yeah. Number 2. So I'm gonna hang this one on my Christmas tree. And the next thing was what? To get this. This is apple straw. We call it apple straw in the Netherlands because it's for, yeah, it's tasty. You can use it for bread. It's sweet. It's like sham, but then from apple. Straw means it's what? It's stretchy. Straw. It's sham. And the next one was the beers, all made in a museum, but this is not beer. Not the option for beer, black beers or what? Apple sap. So it's apple juice made in a museum by the people with the old tools. Yeah, the sap we can collect too, so I collected two, but the beer you can only collect it once. but I don't like beers. That's why I chose for what? The juice. I'm really I should try one already. I will try after the video. So curious. And the last one was this one. Okay, they told us that this is like a dip and spread made in what? In red onions. That's why it's reddish. Made in onions. It's not onions though, but it made with red onions with other things in it. So you can use this one on your like burgers for the taste. You know when you buy a burger, where's Burger King, McDonald's, they have this sauce they put in it. Voila. This is it. Yeah. And they gave us free tickets where you can do activities. I think they gave us like 3 or 4. I used to do it was like a horsing race, right? You play against 10, 11 others. I lost, of course, but it was fun to do. And this one was for roller skaters. I also wanted to do it, but it was full with kids, so I was like, nah, let me skip this one. But it's really nice. It's for roller skating. I'm still gonna do roller skating soon in a different video. They gave us a card for parking, so I didn't have to pay parking. And hot choke and stick. Chocolates. I could collect some milk chocolate. I didn't know. Yeah, I think this is just information card. And a map is not even. It's all for primos. You see? Those are the spots. You walk, you stop, stop. That like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 gifts, 5 places. The journey was nice. Even though some people would say the gifts are not all that, but it's not about the gift, it's about the experience. It's about the things we did there. So, I forgot about the chocolate. This was also a different place. Yeah, already unpacked it. Okay. Oh, and this bag you get at the entry. Now let me test the what? Juice. I'm not gonna test everything though. I don't even know if I'm going to use those things, but regular apple juice. It's nice. They told us it's the same juice but different labels. You see? I want to try them both, but they told us it's the same. Yeah. I didn't shake it. Let me shake it first. Since apple juice, it goes a lot on the bottom. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's the same. That's it for this video. Every time I'm trying to make a video for less than 5 minutes, it goes above. Now we're already at 9 minutes. Anyways, I did it fast. I tried it. Thank you for watching. If you're watching until now, thank you so much. I appreciate the love. This December, I'm gonna come back with more longer videos, so get ready. Visit my site, my YouTube channel more often. So tell me what kind of videos you want to make. Talking videos, dancing videos, exploring videos, travel videos coming though. It's coming, so yeah, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, the video is almost ending already, so let me just finish it at 10 minutes. Okay, so I don't know, anything you want to know, just hit this go up and we're gonna discuss it. Yeah.